Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with OMGHERHair. I love the box. It just gives me sophistication. It's simple, but just it looks sophisticated and I like it. It's a sleek packaging. It also has the website listed on the side here. So I got a thank you card. I got a bandeau and a headband. Okay, I also have this rat tail comb, a wig cap, and extra elastic band. So that's everything that came in the box. Now for what's in the bag here, let's see. Okay, so it's just the wig that came in the drawstring bag. So there's some information here on the front. This is an ombre wig. Okay guys, so this is actually a headband wig. It's been a minute since you guys seen me with a headband wig, right? So this is actually ombre silky straight wig. It's 150% in density and it's 20 inches long. The code for this wig is HBW11. That's the code. It's really nice, you know, soft, you know. Even though this is a colored wig, it's not too loud. As I always say, if you're just easing into colors, this, you know, these type of shades will suit you. So I'm just gonna jump into applying this and trying out these headbands. It's been a while and you guys know that headband wigs are so easy to install. It's definitely beginner friendly, like #1 beginner friendly kind of wig. So cap construction is pretty standard, and it also has adjustable straps like in the very bottom portion here, so you can make it more snugged, you know, like how they always come. And you can even adjust this portion, the headband portion, to make it tighter around your head. That's if you want. I usually let it stay as is because I don't want a headache and I don't usually want it to be too tight on my head. So I usually do my edges first and then I just slip it on. You know, you can do it after, but it's kind of just easier for me and it gets, you know, everything out of the way. So if you're not wearing like a wig cap like me and you just put this straight onto your braids, it has the combs are there. You can just kind of like stick into your hair. And I'd recommend that if you're going to be wearing it for a long time and you want it very secure. Suppose it's very windy, if somebody tug on your hair, you don't want any of those, you know, like when you go on Instagram and you see those memes or those videos where people's wigs just go flying off their head. You don't want that. You have to ensure that the wig is secure at all times. So before I even jump into trying the headbands out, I'm going to go ahead and just quickly run my flat iron through the hair to get it like super bone straight. It's really nice and silky already, but you know, because yeah, the quality of the hair feels good. I'm not getting any shedding, by the way. I didn't do my shed check, but I'm not getting any shedding. through my flat iron. Didn't take much time. It took me like the most 10 minutes to get that done. It's so easy. So I have 3 different headbands here. The first one is this, so I'm gonna try it on. This is how it looks. And I personally don't like to see, like, I don't like when the headband portion is showing. Like, you need to cover it up, you need to style that portion, actually wear a headband. Next one is this headband. It's a light blue headband. I love the material. I'm not sure if you guys can pick it up, but I love this material. It's thick and nice and stretchy. You know what, this, like, if this was in white, this just give me straight up Poetic Justice vibes. Like, you remember that scene in Poetic Justice where she had those gorgeous braids and it was, she did an updo and it was tied like this, like the headband portion, the white headband. So cute. That was my favorite look on her in Poetic Justice. So this type of headband always give me that vibe, and I really like it. And the material as well. It's nice and thick and seems like it has a really nice quality. Alright, and then the last headband I got is this one with this really cute print on it. This is the last headband that came in today's package from OMGHerHair. And as I said, all these headbands are cute, they go well. And guys, again, a headband wig is just the easiest wig to apply in life. I've never really had problems with headband wig shedding, to be honest, like that. So yeah, this one I haven't received any shedding, even though I always say all hair shed eventually over time. At some point it will shed, it's just how much it sheds, so bear that in mind. Yeah, so I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications to this wig in my description box, the direct link to where you can purchase it on the OMGHerHair website. Yeah, if I have any discount codes, that will also be listed. Shout out to OMGHerHair for this easy wig. That's it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate the love and support as usual. I'm so grateful, believe me, I am. Thank you. Yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.